Hey guys, what's up? It's Kahoob here. Today I wanted to talk about SwanBitcoin. It's a great way to save money in Bitcoin and a great way to buy Bitcoin for very cheap fees. And honestly, I think it's the best way to be buying Bitcoin. So, um, first things first, if you go in my description, you will see a referral link of mine. And if you use that referral link and you set up your SwanBitcoin and you invest $50 a week, and prepay the fees annually, then you will receive $10 free in Bitcoin after 30 days of that. Um, and I'll personally receive 25% of your fees for the next 3 years. So it would help out my channel a lot if you did use my referral link. So now to get more into what SwanBitcoin is, it's a perfect way to dollar cost average. As you can see, basically $8,000 into 12,000. If you dollar cost average, it says over the last 3 years, if you saved $50 per week in Bitcoin, you would turn basically 8,000 into 12,000, which is like a $3,000 profit. Obviously, it's not like you getting rich, but it's like compared to investing that money in your savings, you should be investing it in Bitcoin instead. And SwanBitcoin is a perfect way to do it. It even mentions dollars have lost 90% of their purchasing power. It's very easy. They don't have an app. They just have a website, but it's very easy to use, very simple and nice. Their support's amazing and everything. They also have a great way to, they have withdrawals, and you can have automatic withdrawals, and they allow you to change the amount. So you can either withdraw every time you get $50 or let your Bitcoin accumulate up to $500 worth and then do a withdrawal. As that can help reduce the miner fees, as you won't have actually, I won't get into the UTXOs about that and how mining fee is reduced with that, but basically you can wait to withdraw until a bit later. So you guys can personally go look at the frequently asked questions, the FAQ, but it's a great way, in my opinion, to be buying Bitcoin. I actually buy Bitcoin this way because dollar cost averaging is the most effective and proven way to be investing in Bitcoin, as it's made the most money compared to pretty much anything else, and it's the safest way too. All right, so hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and also let me know if you're going to use my referral or if you're going to sign up for SwanBitcoin, or if you're going to start buying from here instead. Oh, and by the way, the fees are very cheap. It's 0.99% fees if you buy $50 a week and prepay the fees annually. So the fees are super cheap. And in fact, actually, I can show you guys that fees. Here we go. What are the SwanBitcoin fees? Prepay annually, $5 to $24. It's 2% basically. $25 to $49, 1.49%. $50 and higher, 0.99% prepay annually. It's as high as 2.29% and as low as 0.99%. You can look at Swan versus Coinbase fees and how much you save when you do Swan, and also how much you save compared to doing CashApp when you use Swan. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys later in the next video.